Woolridge. Evans yn curo Smith am y bêl. Wise yn ei barchod nawr. Elliot Evans yn agor i gorff yn ergydio. Mymryn heibio'r nod i Elliot Evans. Warman yn croesi. Griffen yn glir gan Smith. Mae mor bell o Woolridge. Cyfle arall i gefn glirio. Maen nhw'n gwneud popeth ond clirio'r bêl. Price i fyny at Evans. Elliot Evans yn troi yn ergydio. Mae Met ar y blaen. Wedi chwarae 33 o funudau. Oedd yr amddiffyn yn warthus. Ferffennodd Evans yn hyfryd. Met yn clirio. Ni'n gyrchol at Oli Hulbert. Hulbert yn ceisio chodi dros y golwr. Ac yn arpeniad yn glir gan Wise. Cyfle gwych i Oli Hulbert i ddyblu mantais y Met. 2 funud tan yr egwyl. Kershaw! Kershaw yn dod o hyd i gornel y rhwyd. Does na ddim ond un gair i ddisgrifio hon. Perffaith. Cal McCarthy ar gig gornel. Y penne i fyny, ond Chubb wedi'r rhwydo hi. Ar y foli gefn y rhwyd. Matthew Chubb i gol gynta'r ioed yn uwch ynghyr Cymru. Lle oedd y marcio? Dim ond 1 yn y 10 diwetha mae Cef wedi ennill, a maen nhw ar eu holi yn erbyn y Met i arediad hyd yn oed yn waith. Joe Fo yn caro'r bêl i mewn i'r cwrt, a'r ergyd yn cael ei harbed gan Alex Lang. Mae'n 4 mis i'r diwrnod ers i Bruno Lopez reoli gêm a ddiwetha. Cosby, y croesiad yn rhy bell i Evans, Davies yno, i Evans ar y cynnig cynta. Elliot Evans yn taro'r trawst. Dyw Met heb ennill ers y cynta'r rhagfyr, ond mae'n agosau triphwynt cynta eleni. Ni'n ddofn mewn yr 10 munud ola. Arsan ar y foli a ffas hyfryd i Joe Fo sydd yn ei gwahaniaeth ers dod maen ar yr hanner. Joe Fo yn curo Chubb y sgoriwr. Fo y croesiad, mae'n cael ei gwiro! Alex Lang, arbediad craff. A Steve Evans yn gwylio gyda'r cadeirydd. Sgwni a'i fe fydd wrth y lliw yn gêm nesaf Derwyddon Cefn.
Christian, long awaited the 3 points?
Yeah, boys deserved that today. I thought we could have been out of sight by half-time. The amount of chances we've created, but unfortunately we didn't put it in the back of the net. Lovely goal by Elliot. You know, that's Elliot of old, bringing the ball out of the sky. Nice deft turn and a good finish. But we were living on a knife edge when you're only 1 up and creating those amount of chances. You know, you're a little bit vulnerable, and we give a sloppy goal away, which is typical of our season. Came in at half-time, said to the boys, just keep doing what you're doing, keep working them hard, trying to open up into wide areas, and we did that and got a good goal from Matt from a set play. And Els hits the crossbar to make it 3-1, but really he could have gone to 4 and 5, and just made a little bit of hard work of it. But you could tell we were a team that hasn't won for a while, and you know, we've played better and lost. So today we'll take that 3 points.
From Tuesday night, that was the first thing we asked for, was a performance today, work rate, energy, a hunger and a desire that we didn't show on Tuesday. We got that, but unfortunately we've fallen short, maybe a bit naive today in regards to the goals that we've conceded. We've had opportunities to clear the first goal and we've not dealt with it. And the second goal was a free header off a corner. We can't allow ourselves to get blocked off like that.